Breaking crypto news. Investors sell euros and pounds for Bitcoin in record numbers on recent currency devaluations. Absolutely historic trading volume in Bitcoin as these European currencies collapse because the US dollar is spiking because the Federal Reserve is raising interest rates. And so the entire world economy is collapsing, but the most revolutionary assets are thriving and are being adopted. And so it's just an indicator of where all things are headed. Now, Bitcoin is not just a revolutionary payments network. It's also going to be a competitive blockchain. Lightning Labs releases software to allow Bitcoin developers to mint and transfer assets on the blockchain. So now you're going to be able to move stable coins, decentralized finance, total value locked on top of Bitcoin. Absolutely massive smart contracts. That's what we're talking about. The only problem with Bitcoin is it's not as early stage as these other revolutionary assets, meaning it doesn't have as much upside. That's why we focus on the data and the news on some of these assets. For instance, the Cosmos blockchain, an interoperable blockchain network that connects hundreds of different blockchains, is connected by the Atom token. The only problem with the Atom token was that it was inflationary before, meaning they were dumping supply on the market. Well, that is all going away. This is huge for the Atom token. This is cumulative issuance old and the dotted line just going up over time. Now cumulative issuance new means it's flat. It's going to be scarce. No more inflation on the Atom token. That is so huge. Now, this is the biggest news of the week by far. Swift partners with crypto data provider Chainlink on cross-chain protocol in traditional finance play. If you don't know how big the Swift network is, well, here are the statistics around it. As of 2018, around half of all high-value cross-border payments worldwide use the Swift networks. Swift linked more than 11,000 financial institutions in over 200 countries, 32 million messages per day. Pretty much, if you want to do business globally that is approved by the U.S. government, you have to use Swift. Now this deal is allowed by the U.S. government and supported. And so Chainlink is absolutely massive, being integrated with traditional institutions. For instance, Coinbase Cloud Chainlink launched price oracles for NFT floor pricing. So you have assets other than blockchain assets adopting Chainlink. It does not get more revolutionary than this. I bought some today. If you're a Patreon subscriber, you know what that means because you know exactly how much Chainlink I have in my portfolio. And so it's truly a revolutionary asset. Now, there is a problem with it. There's obviously competition for all these assets. And so Dfinity, the internet computer, has found a way to not need oracles. The long-awaited HTTPS outcalls feature is now being rolled out on the internet computer. For the first time in history, smart contracts can directly communicate with Web 2.0 servers without using oracles. Very interesting. They don't need oracles. Good news for Chainlink is that they're not just an oracle. They're Web3 infrastructure. And so we have to stay on top of all of that for you guys. Now, this is what Google plans to do. Google Web3 leads as Google Cloud is a layer 0 for crypto. So they just want to integrate Google Cloud behind all these different blockchains, obviously Hedera Hashgraph, Theta, and they're going to continue to do so. Here's a glimpse, a snapshot into the Matic token, massive brand deals that it has made, the partnerships that it has made. Matic/Polygon has partnered up with Starbucks, Disney, Mercedes-Benz, HTC, and Reddit, to name a few. Obviously Instagram as well. Just a snapshot in case you weren't aware how absolutely massive the Matic token is.